All right, starting out, we want to put the reel in a central location on the job site. It doesn't matter where you set it, but it doesn't need to move once you start your survey. It operates a little bit better if it's setting on its side rather than upright. It's a little more stable, a little more accurate that way. We pull out, like I say, enough tubing to walk to the farthest point. I like to come back. We want to connect our display onto the monopod, and then to keep, as we're walking, to keep the tubing from trying to pull the display off the monopod, we've got a little Velcro here. We want to put the tubing through the Velcro. That way, as we walk, it'll take the stress off. I also like to have this little magnet clip on my phone so that it turns everything into a one-hand operation. It makes it super simple and easy to operate. I always like to make sure I got plenty of tubing pulled out, figure out where I'm going to go with everything.
Okay.
You're recording everything as we're going through.
Yeah.
It's just really handy to do it like that.
That'll be good.
So-
That video.
Yeah, yes. So I'm going into the 3D mapping now. We can tell everything's. Next, I'm gonna come back out and make sure I've got the. I like to wiggle this around a little bit to make sure I'm connected like I should be. I'll let it settle back out to 0. All right, we're going into 3D mapping. I'm gonna plot my first point here. Got to look at the ground and make sure it knows where it is. There's my first reading.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to walk this around. I may have you kind of help me keep the cords from getting too tangled up there. I'm going to come down to the edge of the house here, and this is going to be just outside the edge just a little bit. And that's showing about a 3-inch elevation. Then we'll take it straight down this way. Yeah, kind of untangle me there just a little bit, please, sir. And I came right down to the edge of the house. We're outside of the house about 4 feet or so here. I'm gonna plot another point there. I'm gonna come over to where this starts back up. That way our level knows where the grade starts.
Okay.
That's gonna level out about 19 inches. We'll plot that. Now I'm gonna come up to the top here. Just off to the back side. This is a pretty good,
Yeah. Yep. That's exactly.
pretty much where we need to be.
Yeah.
That's about a 38-inch height above where we were. Then I'm going to walk down, right down the edge of the pool here. I'm going to plot one here, Jeremy, pretty much in line with the edge of the pool.
Okay.
And that's about 38 inches there, so that's held pretty steady. And from there, I'm going to go straight across to the other side of the pool. About 44 inches. And if you would, just kind of make sure that tubing comes around the corner there for me. Figure that one. Then we'll go over here. This is about far back as you need to get this.
I'm gonna go right here.
Right here? Okay, right here. Right here it is.
It's just pretty level on that.
Yeah. So the level's going to assume anything between the points we take is a straight line back and forth between them.
Oh, okay.
So you don't have to plot a whole lot of points to get a pretty good idea of what you got.
Yep.
So what do you think?
It will create your square and everything like.
Yes. About up
What
here?
you basically want to do, like create the flat and the slope.
Yep. Yep. What do you think? About here?
Yeah.
Yep. We come up just a little bit of a grade here. That's good. Now we'll just bring this right around. What do you think? About here?
Where the patio's gonna be?
Well, the upper, yeah, we've got the points down there, so this will be kind of as far as you need to go up.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, those kids were next door over there. I thought those kids were next door over there. I thought they were here. Then we'll come back down. Now I'm going to close this up, and that will close our perimeter.
Okay. Oh, I see what you're doing.
Yeah. Now that I've closed the perimeter, I'm going to take a few readings right down here. Another one kind of here. And then I'm coming down to here. And this will give us our slope from here to the top. Okay, and that is the outline of our pool area.
Mm-hmm. So basically the pool is right here, huh? On top. Oh, this is the pool, right?
That's the pool.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yeah, make sense?
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. She's making like basically a map of the outside.
Yes.
And closing it at the same time, right?
Yes.
You gotta make sure at that point when you open, it's very important to go back and close it.
Yes. I'll show you that when we get this pulled up. Okay, I have just opened the UVision program. I'm going to upload the survey from Jeremy. Going into Tools, Terrain Elevation Import Wizard. And of course, I emailed the information over to my laptop and saved it in the UVision directory here. Named it Jeremy. You want the coordinates, the CSV file that was created by the U-Level program. It brings it up and gives you a look. You go through, these are the defaults that were set on my program. You shouldn't have to change anything. You can double check this to make sure yours are syncing up with what this is. And it's that easy. We've got the topo in. I'm going to rotate this around so we can line everything up a little better. This is the orientation we were using. Now, I'm going to go into, we took a drone, we flew up, took a drone, we're going into Tools again. We're going into Picture Import Wizard. And of course, I sent the drone via JPEG into the UVision directory. You want to go in and in the overlay mode. Here's the drone.
Make sure I've got the right one here. Yeah, that's it. Yep, that's what we need. And once again, hit the defaults. There's our image. Going to make it much larger. We're going to lose the grid. It makes it a little easier to see. And of course, we've got to rotate this. There we go. There we go.